Every time there's an opportunity to compete, we're gonna make the most of whatever chance we got. When you're blessed with an opportunity to compete, you better make the most of it. You better be at your best. You can make the choice of what you wanna do, but you can't come up with excuses when you don't have another chance. We're trying to do more before 8 o'clock than you do all day. Here we go.
Hey, hurry up.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, we're either hanging in there today, we're hanging on, or we're hanging around. You got me? Let's hang in and go to work right here. Let's go. We don't do a whole lot of where we come in 5 times during the year and we max out for 1 rep maxes. We're maxing out every day. Wake up this morning, let's go. Get that core working over here now. Get that core working, get up.
Try to focus on getting bigger, stronger, faster.
Come on, you gotta get up off the ground. Get up off the ground, push.
It's fast-paced, it's long, tedious, a lot of reps, but it really does get us ready.
Hey, we got to work at a tempo today that's unmatchable. Let's go. I got you.
It's just the demeanor of the team. We're going to have fun doing it. We're going to go as hard as we can.
We're hitting it running now. Let's go. Overhead snatches. Atta boy. Good. Front squats. Step up. Dumbbell. Good, Earl. Now moving from the rack to inside the green. Good. Atta baby. Hey, you gotta win that. Let's go. Kid can go through what we give them the opportunity to go through. We know they're ready to go to battle. We try to push them to a point where they can understand if they can go a little bit more, if they'll push themselves.
You keep going, you keep pushing. Extra rep. We always 1+ in everything we do.
1+, 1+, 1+.
That extra time that you come and work out, that could be that one more point.
Get in, get out. Get in, get out. Hips down, explode. Better, good.
Yeah, I just did that workout.
We just call it the buck way. It's not the only way, it's not the hard way, it's not the easy way, it's just our way. It's the way we do it. Not a way to work. Not a way to work. I can win with that. Come on, I can win with that. Let's go.